United Student Union of Karbi Anglong come into concern about the illegal mining in Karbi Anglong. The students' organization submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong here on Thursday. Kanya Rohang LP School and Nopani School is reported not to have been working for the last 2 years. A visit made by Karbi Student Association Langkhan branch here on Thursday. And Karbi Student Association took out a torchlight rally here on Wednesday evening in protest against the move of Union Government's decision to pass the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill in the winter session of the Parliament. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. United Student Union of Karbi Anglong come into concern about the illegal mining in Karbi Anglong. The students' organization submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Mukul Kumar Saikia, here on Thursday, mentioning that illegal coal mining is going on uncontrolled in Karbi Anglong. In this regard, Assam Government Mines and Mineral Department has issued an order directing to stop coal, stone and sand mining in 6 districts. But in the matter of regret that illegal coal mining is still taking place in very eyes of the administration. Due to coal mining, there is a breakdown of road and communications. As a result, accidents occur very often. The United Student Union of Karbi Anglong urged the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong to look over into the matter. Alright, so before we move on to the further news, a breaking news that's coming in from Difu. A massive torchlight procession is being carried out here in Difu in protest against contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. This opposition is jointly organized by 30 organizations including Karbi Student Association, All Assam Student Union and many socials and students organizations here in Karbi Anglong. This is the latest visuals that is coming in from Difu, ladies and gentlemen. A massive torchlight procession is being carried out here in Difu in protest against contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, and this opposition is jointly organized by 30 organizations including Karbi Student Associations, All Assam Student Union and many socials and students organizations here in Karbi Anglong. And this is the breaking and latest visuals that is coming in from Difu, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see in the visual that many students and social organization here participating in this massive torchlight procession that has been carrying out here in Difu in protest against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. And this opposition, ladies and gentlemen, is organized jointly by 30 organizations here in Karbi Anglong, including Karbi Student Association, All Assam Students Union and many socials and students and social organizations is participating in this rally. Kanya Rohang LP School and Nopani LP School under Rongmongwe block is reported not to have been working for the last 2 years. A visit made by Karbi Student Association Langkhan branch here on Thursday. The student body also told Cut News, alleging the teachers of the school for not teaching and working at the school. That's a report. Kanya Rohang LP School under Rongmongwe block is reported not to have been working for the last 2 years. A visit made by Karbi Student Association Langkhan branch here on Thursday. The students' body told Cut News, alleging the teachers of the school for not teaching and working at the school. The Karbi Student Association also alleged that the situation at Nopani School is also similar, as not working for a couple of years.
People see ladak nito nang humbrinan kokma labangke piniang ni anta ladak Kanya Rohang LP School along nang humbrinan kok alam thibangke lalo nitum kes e penta tami ko energy geding peni ladak nitum rong aso pen pinaan bilta kelong ateng pen ke non bangke alangli pene kamsing hanse pu a teacher nan tami ladak Kanya Rohang LP School long kewang we joine student tami non dak awide asonsi penilo lasi nitum karbilo.
The student body allegedly stated that the teachers of Nopani School, Mr. Pratip Kumar Das, has not been coming to school to teach the children at the school for many years. Later, the Karbi Student Association demanded Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate action against the teachers Pradeep Kumar Das and Kam Singh Hanse for performing their duty unethically. New report, Cart News. Alright, so let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. Activists of Karbi Student Associations took out a torchlight rally at Volongkomaji here on Wednesday evening in protest against the move of the Union government's decision to pass the Contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill in the winter session of the Parliament. The students' body also opposed the move of the government for passage of Uniform Civil Code and introductions of Panchayati Raj in sexual areas. The Karbi Student Association further demanded exclusion of Karbi and other indigenous communities from the government's two-child policy. The students' organization later asserted that if the controversial bill is passed, then it will lead to marginalization of the indigenous people of Northeast India.
আপোনালোকে এটো বাতিল কৰিব লাগিব তাৰ পিছতে ইউনিফর্ম সিভিল কোড এটো বহুত এটা কন্ট্রোভার্সিয়াল বিল হয় গতিকে আমি একদম 100% আমি প্রটেস্ট কৰি আছো আমি এগেইনস্টত আছো কাৰণ ইউসিসি যদি ইমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰা হয় তেতিয়া হলে যিমানখিনি ট্ৰাইবেলস বা যিমানখিনি ট্ৰাইবেল জনগোষ্ঠী আছে তেওঁলোকৰ মানে কালচাৰ আইডেন্টিটি ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ টু অনাগত দিনত এক্সটিংশন হ'বলৈ একদম চান্স আছে গতিকে আচ্ছা যদি বাংলাদেশী হোশিয়ার 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 বাংলাদেশী হোশিয়ার হোশিয়ার.
Right, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.